Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, I am a Australian cash stuffer and I will be stuffing my savings challenges for September week 4 and 5. So let's get cash stuffing. So let's set up my challenge envelope. So we have to stuff is 1, 2, 3, 54, 55, 56, 50, 70, 90, 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 70. So $370 that we will be stuffing for in our challenges in this video. So let's start off with, before I get into it, my last cash stuffing video, I did miscount both of these challenges, which honestly, those 20s are definitely, yeah, they definitely make it very hard. So I'm definitely going to be more aware with how to count. So starting off with his challenge, we will be adding 240 into his envelope, which will be made up of 2 10s, 1 20, 2 50s, and 100. So let's count together: 1, 52, 20, 30, 40. So 240, which is the correct amount, and let's add that in. It was just I think I did that many takes on counting my challenges that I was just like, yep, I'm just super confused. So everything looks good. Okay, so now in his challenge he has 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000. Wow. So 3,000, 50, 70, 90, 110, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Wow. $3,170 is in his challenge. That is crazy. We've just broken the 3,000 mark. And we are now working towards our $4,000 milestone, which is amazing. So let's mark this one down. So we've done an 80 and a 160. We've now have 4 rows completed, which is crazy. Oh my goodness. So we are done with his envelope challenge. And now on to my savings challenge. Whoops. Okay. So we will be adding $270, which will be made up of 2 10s, 150, and 2 100s. So let's count: 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 270, which is correct. So let's add that to the pile. Okay, so now in her challenge we now have 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, So 3,000 there. 1, 2, 50, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 3,170, and that is crazy because we both ended up with the same amount for once. That is absolutely super crazy. I am so, yeah, it's crazy to think. So we will mark $110 off. 110, and then 160. So we are done for our 5K challenge. Okay, so on to our YouChoose challenge, and I will leave a big shout out to everybody who contributed in the 2 videos, and that equated to $33. So let's take that out. So 20, 30, and my coins. I've got whoopsies, $3. So I'll take a 4 out and put take a 1. So let's add that together, and with the $6 we can take this, add a 5 in here and put a 1 to replace that. So $6. So now in my YouChoose challenge we have 1,000, 51, 50, 70, 90, 200, 10, 25, 31. So 231, which is crazy. So 1,231, which is amazing to have in my YouChoose challenge. So thank you so much to those who contributed. I am so happy. And then on to our $600 challenge, and we will be putting in $210. So let's take the money out. So 210, so 51, 52, 10. So 210, which will be, okay, let's see. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50, 70, 80, 90, $600. So I am so happy. And we can mark these one down because we've reached $600 in our $600 challenge. That is crazy. I will be putting this into the bank. I'll just leave it in. I won't do it now. I think I need to do a cash condensing video, but I will be putting that in the envelope for now. And then when I do my cash condensing video, I will be putting this money into the bank. So we've completed our monthly challenge. And let me quickly explain to you guys the 2 challenges that I will be partaking in this video, next month's challenge. So this is Health is Wealth challenge, and this is by Budget by the Beach from her Etsy store. She has a YouTube channel called Erin Twibbles Around Aimlessly, and I will be partaking this challenge because it is easy on my budget, which is $10 per week. So I'll be doing that. And then with my challenge that I have opted, next month in October is my birthday, and I was born on the 8th of October, so that's why $8 and $10 represents the date and month. And I will be stuffing every week this whole row of balloons, and I won't be stuffing my binder because I will be getting this money, and it equates to $248. So I will be able to put that to whatever I want, but ultimately I think I'll be putting it into my binder. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. So that is done. And then for my YouChoose challenge, I will be increasing the value to $2. So every comment in October for the magic phrase will be a value of $2. And the YouChoose phrase for this video is twinkle like a star. Definitely be the star of your galaxy. Shine bright with your personality, with your mindset, and with your finance. I love that saying, twinkle like a star. And everyone is everyone is a star in their own right. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next month for my brand new savings challenges. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.